In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Ringo app on Android. This is a straightforward process that will have you parking smarter in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll recognize the Play Store by its colorful triangle logo. This is the hub for all your app needs. It's essential to have the latest version of the Play Store for the best experience. If you're not already logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is critical as it ensures you can download and update your apps seamlessly. Once you're in, you'll be ready to explore the vast selection of applications available. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store screen and type in Ringo. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the search bar. This feature helps you find apps quickly. If you see Ringo in the suggestions, you can tap it directly. This step is crucial because it directs you to the specific app you want. It saves time and minimizes the risk of downloading the wrong application. After entering the name, you'll be ready to see the results. From there, select the official Ringo phone parking app published by Ringo Limited. It's important to ensure you're choosing the right app as there may be similar names listed. Look for the app icon that matches what you expect, which typically features a distinctive design related to parking. Selecting the correct app ensures that you have access to the official features and updates. This is vital for a smooth user experience, especially when you need reliable parking solutions. Now tap the Install button. This action initiates the download and installation process on your device. Once you tap it, you will see a progress bar indicating the download status. This step is significant because it installs the app on your device, allowing you to access it anytime. After a brief moment, the installation will complete and you're one step closer to using the app. You might see a confirmation appear once the installation is finished, which reassures you that everything has gone smoothly. At this point, you can open the Ringo app directly from the Play Store by tapping the Open button. Alternatively, you can find the app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Opening the app for the first time may prompt you to go through a setup process. This initial setup is essential as it customizes your app experience and links it to your parking needs. It's a quick process that helps the app serve you better. Finally, now that you have the Ringo app installed, you can start exploring its features. This app will help you manage your parking more efficiently, whether you are at home or traveling. Familiarizing yourself with the app will enhance your overall experience and ensure you make the most out of its capabilities. You're now all set to enjoy a smarter parking experience with Ringo. Thank you for following along.